My name is Sokas. I'm a senior researcher at INRAE, and I am pleased to give you some details about an exciting and upcoming researcher position as permanent staff opening in my lab close to Paris in 2025. Your challenge will be to design a selective breeding strategy to reduce competition and promote cooperation between animals raised in large groups such as in fish or insects. This will help to overcome the current limitation of breeding programs aiming at enhancing animal resilience. Your mission will be first to develop mathematical approaches to account for multiple interactions and define innovative breeding strategy. You will test this strategy for their applicability and generosity across different species and evaluate their operational benefits. You will design, in addition, some experimental plan to validate strategies using social behavior observation. With the collaboration of ethologists, you will identify behaviors that enhance livestock resilience. Your work will be within the Animal Genetics and Integrative Biology unit that we refer as GABI unit, which is a joint unit between INRAE and AgroParisTech. The workforce are about 115 permanent staff and 40 temporary collaborators, including master and PhD students, as well as postdoctoral fellows. Over the last 6 years, the unit has published about 600 scientific papers, most of them being in top-ranked journals. The three main research topics of the unit are first, the management of genetic resources in terms of selection or conservation programs. Second, the understanding of the genetic determinism of key traits in resilience, health, or for reducing environmental impact of farming systems. And lastly, the understanding of genome, microbiome, and epigenome of farm animals. Within the unit, you will join the GUPI team, which work on useful genetics for fish and insects in agroecology. Currently, the team is composed of 5 researchers, 1 engineer, 1 assistant engineer, 1 non-permanent engineer, 1 postdoctoral fellow, and 3 PhD students. Over the last 6 years, we published 117 scientific papers, most of them being in top-ranked journals. Our research aims align very well with those of the GABI unit. First, we work on sustainable breeding of fish and insects in fluctuating environment and trying to get them in resilient and more environmentally friendly farming systems. Second, we developed some phenotypes and genetic analysis of useful traits for agroecological transition of fish and insect farms. And lastly, we try to deepen the understanding of the complexity of fish genome, microbiome, and epigenome. The unit benefits from both local and national high-performance computing service. In addition, for our team, we have access to local and national experimental facilities in fish, which enable us to design innovative experiments. In particular, in a large experimental unit we access in Brittany, and that provides us with unique genetic resources in rainbow trout. In terms of partnership, we work closely with French umbrella organizations in fish and insects breeding, CISAF and ITSAP. We also have strong connection with INRAE and INFOMER labs working on bee and fish behaviors. And at the international scale, for that kind of work, we work closely with the Roslin Institute in UK and Wageningen University and Research in the Netherlands. We are looking for a candidate with a PhD in one of the following fields. Either statistical genetics, could be population or quantitative genetics, or applied mathematics or quantitative ethology. The candidate should show strong interest in animal science as well as in modeling and optimization of biological process at the population level. He should or she should also demonstrate an ability to develop a diverse network and interact with experts in various fields, from computational to biology sciences. Curiosity, open-mindedness, and motivation for impactful research are essential qualities in our team. and experience in designing selection program or quantitative ethology will be a plus. However, if you didn't get the opportunity of such an experience but are excited by the position, we strongly encourage you to apply for the job. As public researcher at INRAE, the French National Research for Agriculture, Food and Environment, our mission is to generate and disseminate knowledge to tackle major societal challenges. We strive to use this knowledge to drive innovation, provide expertise, and support public policies. INRAE is indeed among the very first world leaders in agriculture and food sciences, in particular in plant and animal sciences. The Institute operates 18 research centers across France and comprises over 250 research units. Our Gabi unit is a member of Paris-Saclay University and is located at 20 kilometers southwest of Paris within the INRAE Center Île-de-France, Jouy-en-Josas, Antony. This center offers an exceptional environment with a high quality of life. It is a large campus with approximately 1,500 people working in diverse scientific and activities, particularly in various aspects of animal sciences. Additionally, the center is well connected to the top-ranked University of Paris-Saclay. In terms of transport, we are close to Paris with easy access by train and bus, and about 15 minutes from Massy and Versailles, which are two large towns with excellent public transport links and a range of accommodation options. We are surrounded by natural and beautiful landscape, and as you can see on the photo, our campus features a charming little castle. Living in the Île-de-France region comes with numerous advantages. First, the area offers outstanding opportunity for education and hobbies for all ages. This is a dynamic hub for employment as well as for national and international connection transports. Beyond Paris, the region is home to numerous cultural prestigious hotspots, making it an ideal place to live and to work. We hope this short video has inspired you to apply, or at the very least, to learn more about this work opportunity. If you have any question, whether before or after applying, please don't hesitate to contact me, Florence Focas, at the email address you see in the middle of the screen, below the little bit. I will be very pleased to provide any additional information or clarification you may need. Bye.